Alright, man, I'm hungry, you know what I'm saying? I'm about to get me some food. I'm trying to lose some weight. I'm on a little diet. But you know, I gotta eat good out here and all that. So I got me a little rasta pasta and all that, you know what I'm saying? Get my fork. Where my fork at? Alright. Yeah. Oh yeah, look at this. I'm about to dive in.
Yo, Nutty.
Yeah.
What you eating?
Oh, some rasta pasta from up the block.
Rasta who?
Some rasta pasta.
Rasta pasta. What's this white stuff on the pasta?
That's that good sauce they put on there, you know, that cheese and all that goodness and all that, yeah?
You mean Ned, this is the heavy cream?
Yeah, man. Yeah.
What are you trying to do?
I mean, I'm just trying to get a little calories, you know I'm gonna burn it off later, but you know, I'm trying to eat good, you know, this is mad flavorful. You got all the spices and the pepper and the carrots and all that stuff is up in there.
So that's about what? At least 12 to 1500 calories. And they call this eating healthy. There is no green, no orange, no red, nothing.
All right. Hey, you know what? You're right. You're 100% right. That's why I got a plan B. You know what I mean? I said just in case.
Just in case.
Yeah, it's my pecan swirls. What's wrong with my pecan swirls, man?
100 calories per serving. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 600 calories.
Listen, man. Listen. Take away my rasta pasta. I really want that, right? Then you tell me I can have my pecan swirls. What more do you want from me? Yo, welcome guys again for my third vlog, More is Better Fitness vlog. Thank y'all for all the new subscribers. I think I'm up to like 55 now from 40 last week. Awesome. You know, it's Black History Month, hence the mud cloth behind me and all the artifacts. I'm gonna leave y'all a little jewel. A man without his history is like a tree without its roots by James Bowen, all right? So know your history, you know? If you don't know anything, go pick up a book. Here's a book right here that y'all can check it out. It's called Stamp from the Beginnings, all right? Very good book, all right? So definitely follow up on your history, research, know your roots, you know what I mean? Like your ancestors went through so much things in the past for you to be here right now. So definitely don't take anything for granted. Take advantage of the history that's there. Learn about it. Appreciate it. All right, you know, like I told you in the first episode, I'm not just trying to give you knowledge about being physically fit, but you also want to be mentally fit and spiritually fit. So I'm always going to give y'all things every week that's going to be, you know, mental food, spiritual food for your everyday life. Because you want to grow in all aspects of life, not just physically, not just to grow a bigger butt or to get rid of your gut. You want to improve on all walks, all facets of life, all right? So you want to make sure that everything is engaged, mind, body, soul. If you feel like you have any suggestions, anything you want me to talk on, leave a comment down below. If you don't leave a comment below, I won't know what y'all want to see. So I want to get your answers out there. So put a question out there. I'm going to give you an answer either by next week's video or a video to come. So please leave comments below. Thank you for everybody that's been doing it so far, but keep them coming. Keep them coming. Alright, so I'm going to answer some questions that you guys sent out to me via text or, you know, you sent it through email, whatever it is. So I got 3 questions I'm going to answer today, alright? First question is, as a female, I want to know about how to shake my arms and tone them more. I want to know what to eat to keep them looking good and great, and what's the best exercises that will keep them looking great. So the first thing I'm going to tell you is, you know, no matter what kind of body you're looking for, if you're not doing the right thing diet-wise, you'll never get to where you want to be. So since you want to tone your arms, you want to, you know, lessen that body fat there, what you're going to make sure is that you have a calorie intake that's not too high and you're eating healthy foods. So when you're trying to maintain your current weight, you want to get at least 2,000 calories per day. When you're trying to lose weight, you want to get about 1,500 calories a day. And when you're trying to gain weight or muscle mass, you want to get about 2,500 calories a day. So in your case, you're trying to lose. So you want to get like 1,500 calories a day, and you want to make sure that you're eating the right foods, healthy foods, you know, lean meats, lean proteins. You want to get your nuts, your fiber, your grains, you know. You want to do things like that. You try to stay away from the fatty foods, from all the cholesterol, the fried foods, things that will go against you losing that body fat. Alright, as far as exercises are concerned, there's a couple of things you can do to have those nice, sexy, trim arms. First off, you can do various types of push-ups, which will definitely work more your bicep and everything right here on the anterior part of your body. You can do tricep extensions, tricep kickbacks, tricep push-ups. You get your triceps back here. You can do front and side lateral raises, you know, in the front and side, really work your deltoids, give you those sexy shoulders. Boxing is also a very good one to really help cut a lot of that fat, you know, burns lots of calories, lots of fat. And other than that, you can do things like bicep curls, which work your biceps. And I'm about to show you all of them right about now.
Things first, notice how my elbows are pinned to the side of me, and I'm making sure that I'm not moving any other part of my body other than my forearm. Notice as I bring my arm up, I really squeeze and contract my bicep muscles. You really want to get that contraction for this to really work. Also, take your time. Don't rush through this. As you bring one arm up, drop the other arm, and make sure you get that squeeze every single time. Concentrate. You don't necessarily need any type of dumbbells or weights to do any of these arm workouts. Here I'm showing you can get the same results with a resistance band that I have here. Place your feet shoulder length apart inside of the bands to make two corners, and then you're going to put your hands palm side facing up underneath the band. Keep your elbows locked into your sides and now contract all the way up, just like you're doing regular curls. This is actually even a little bit better than using the dumbbells, because what happens is you're getting a full resistance, not just going up, but also going back down. So you're constantly putting pressure on those muscles. Again, chest up, back straight, and breathe. Really get a nice squeeze at the top.
Alright, now as you see, he's doing his front lateral raises. The main part that's supposed to be in work is anterior deltoids. That's the front shoulder. Alright? And he's working, not just that, he's working a little bit triceps as he comes up. And you see that his chest muscles are also working, his pectoral major. As he comes up, you can see how they squeeze together, and he's taking his time.
I'm now doing side lateral raises. With the side lateral raises, I'm pretty much doing the same thing as the front lateral raises, except now my arms are to the side. Chest is still out, back is straight. I'm breathing on the upward motion and breathing out on the downward motion. Again, I'm working my shoulders as I do this, not bending my elbows, and taking my time as I go up, and taking my time as I also go down. I'm now doing some tricep kickbacks, focusing on the tricep muscle, which is the muscle right above the elbow. So the first thing is I bend over slightly, as you see in the video, and you're going to stick your elbow all the way up before extending your forearm to a straight position.
See him right there? Look at that. Let's zoom in right here on that tricep. I see y'all want them sexy arm, ladies. Bam. That's it right there. That's the money maker. All right. Train the same or remain the same? Train the same over here. Sam, stay fit.
Now we're gonna do some tricep kickbacks with the resistance band. First off, let's find a solid base where we can tie the band to and make sure that it's definitely supported. Then we're going to pull the band a little bit back, and we're gonna bend our back forward, and then again, we're gonna raise our elbow up by holding onto the band, and then kicking back the elbow joint and the forearms as far back as we can go before bringing it back forward. There are many types of push-ups you can do to get you those nice sexy arms. One type I'm showing you now is a push-up with a ball rollover. which is where you get a medicine ball and you do a push-up with one hand on the medicine ball, one hand on the ground, and as you push yourself up, you roll the ball to the next arm and you do the same thing back and forth. These here are the modified push-ups, where instead of just your hands and toes being on the ground, it's your hands and your knees. Just like with a regular push-up, you want to keep your elbows pointed outwards, hands forward, and bring your chest as far as the ground as you can before pushing yourself all the way up. And now we're gonna do some boxing drills that's gonna help really cut that fat off our arms. All right, and what you wanna do is you wanna bend your knees a little bit. You wanna grab a dumbbell or a water bottle, anything you have around you, and you wanna just flex your arms forward. Don't fully extend your arms. Keep a slight bend as you punch forward. And now for some sexy shoulders, what we're gonna do are some shoulder presses. You're gonna get some light dumbbells and you wanna push them overhead. Don't let the dumbbells clank against each other. Just keep it pretty close and you wanna bring your arms back down to a 90-degree angle.
All right, so now question number 2. They ask me, how can I work out to have a bigger butt?
I like big butts and I cannot lie. You other brothers can't deny. And when a girl walks in with an itty bitty waist and a round thing in your face, you get
Woo! I ain't mad at it, but if I had $1 every time I was asked that question, yeah, I'll be a very rich man. So, okay, you want to work your booty out, you want to see it grow. The number one question is, can I really make my booty bigger? Can I really make it grow? Answer, hell yeah. You don't gotta go and get that surgery. You don't gotta pump nothing in. That's the lazy, new age way. That's really unhealthy. You know, there's a lot of people out there that telling you about they got it done and they tell you about the detriments of them getting it done. So I need y'all to realize that there is a safer, more effective way to get it done, and that's working out in the gym and eating the right things. So first things first, you gotta eat the right foods. You know, you gotta make sure you have more nutrients in your body. You want to eat more for this, but also healthy foods. Certain things you want to keep eating to help with this. A lot of nuts, avocados, lean proteins. You want to make sure you're getting enough nutrients. You don't want to, have the unhealthy stuff. So first things first, get the unhealthy stuff out. Take a look at your diet, revamp it, make it better, make it more. All right. As far as workouts are concerned, you want to add various types of squats, lunges. So I'm about to show you all about those workouts right about now. And our last question goes back to the original clip in the beginning, which talked about caloric intake and serving sizes. So I'm gonna go back to these little pecan swirls, which you can get at your bodega from anywhere in New York or wherever a bodega is located. So basically, in the back of almost anything you eat, you have nutritional facts. I zoom into it, let them see it. Nutritional facts. I zoom out. So boom, nutritional facts. In the beginning, at the top, it tells you serving size per container. So it says 6 servings per container on this one, and it tells you the serving size is 1 roll, just one. As you see, there's 6 inside here, but most people neglect the fact that it says serving size here, and they'll probably eat all 6. Listen, you're better off sharing it with your friends, your family, instead of eating it all, because you're only going to make yourself a lot more unhealthy and put yourself in a scenario where you end up having either high blood pressure or diabetes later on in the future. Try to do the right thing. Try to live a healthy lifestyle. So if it says only eat one, eat one. All right? In this case, I'm not going to eat none of these. You know what I mean? This was just for the video. But someone out there, they want to eat this. If this is your cheat, whatever you like to eat, that's fine. But just follow what it says on the back of the package, all right? There's a couple other things you want to look back there and see. You want to see how much calories? It's 100 calories for the one, just for one. Like I told you earlier, you need 2,000 a day to maintain, and you need about 1,500 to start losing weight. So just make sure that you're watching what you put in your body, watch your caloric intake, watch your serving sizes, all right? All right, guys, thanks for tuning in to another More is Better Fitness vlog where you guys asked the questions and I gave you your answers. I hope now you understand more about serving sizes and your caloric intake, also about how to get sexier toned arms and how to bigger glutes without having to go to some doctor in Miami or something like that. Continue to put comments down below. Anything you want to know, anything you want to see, put it down below. You can text me, I know, and email me, but it's a lot faster if y'all send comments. And make sure y'all like and subscribe. I need more subscribers. So share this out to all your friends and family. All right? There's going to be those days where you feel like you don't want to put in that work. You don't want to go hard in the gym, or you don't want to eat right and you're frustrated and whatnot. But you got to remember, this is your temple, this is your body. Only you gonna live in this body. You only got one body to live in. So I need you to really take onus on yourself and take accountability on what you're putting in your body and how you're taking care of your body fitness wise. All right, so remember, live more, exercise more, love more. More is better fitness. Signing out. Peace.